On the nature island, every meal tells a story of people, land, and sea. Each crop grows from rich soil and caring hands. Farmers and gardeners work with respect for the land and its gifts. In the Kalinago Territory, cassava bread is still made with skill and patience. It connects generations through shared work and shared meals. Across Dominica, cooking brings people together. Fresh ingredients from nearby farms fill table with color and flavor. The sea adds its own story. Fishermen rise early, trusting the ocean to provide the day's catch. From shore to table, seafood connects families and friends. Each dish carries the taste of the island and the joy of togetherness. Around every table, there is warmth. Food becomes a way to care, to welcome, and to celebrate life. In quiet valleys and open spaces, people gather to share food and peace. Our food carries memory and pride. It keeps communities close and stories alive. From earth to essence, from cassava to callaloo, the taste of Dominica reflects its people and their way of life.